Extreme close up.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, and we saw him set in on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Makes that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, you can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Ooh. 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 Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the books. You will see something new. I call them thing one and thing two. They are entertaining. They will come here to play. They will give you some fun on this.
That's creepy.
They are terrifying.
Yes, for real.
No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
I smell
It
popcorn.
smells.
I smell popcorn really cool.
Maybe because there's a ton of popcorn.
I do not like the way that they play. If mother could see this, no, what would she say?
That's
Keeping time.
crash.
Boing boink.
Ew. Haha, stupid rat.
Buy more Beastland.
On the way home. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2.
Oh, that's so weird.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. Why? Even before, we cannot pick it up. There's no way to go. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us two,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if